How to fix Instagram Reels option missing on iPhone. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check if your app is up to date or not. For that, launch your App Store. Here we go. At the very top, you'll find the search box. Over there, type in the app name Instagram and search for it. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of update process, you can launch it and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading to our next solution, close this, launch your Settings app, scroll down, hit towards the option of General. Now open this option iPhone Storage. Now scroll down, over here you're gonna find all the apps that are installed in your device. Go ahead and find the app Instagram. Once you find it, open it. Now click on Offload app, click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. After completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If still you cannot find the option of Reel in your Instagram account, what you have to do is launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your Instagram account. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different icons. Click on the profile icon given at the bottom right corner. After you land to your profile page, now at the top right corner, you will find 3 bars. Click on it. Now scroll down, hit towards the option of Help. Now click on this option Report your problem. Click on this option Report problem without shaking. Click on Include and Continue. Now over here you have to briefly explain about your issue, that your Instagram Reel option is missing. Once you type in, you can click on Send. By applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Instagram Reels option missing on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.